Adidas' collaboration with Carbon, a 3D printing company, has placed the emphasis on 3D printing as disruption squarely in the scope of businesses throughout the footwear manufacturing world. This is understandable, as a brand like Adidas moving forward with producing footwear in the US via 3D printing is incredible news. Siemens, however, is a beneficiary of this forward movement by Adidas, not really a support system. What Siemens is offering is a suite of software that will allow for a smoother chain of creation and fulfillment by Adidas. Adidas already has this process in hand, as the creation of the shoes will garner so much attention that Adidas can sell out of the product in minutes via DTC. What exactly is Siemens offering? Mindspere will allow the machines in the Speedfactory to operate more efficiently. This is not in regard to the 3D printing process of the Futurecraft 4D shoe. It is a software that assists in establishing a cloud-based support system for automation. In other words, the connection looks great on paper but has very little to do with the production of the 4D.